We're on the side of a mountain. CE95 Corolla. FD covered in muck.
This is always the fastest starting car I've ever had.
Okay. Oh, hang on. That is pub spec. Whoa!
There's like 2 V8s there.
What?
BMW V8s. One JZ here. That's going in an E30.
And then you have an M3 up here.
Delaney.
Whoa!
Or Magic Gauge cluster.
Oh my god! Look at that. It's nice to see you liking E36s, man. Mountain man. I just blurred a mustache and nothing else. Okay, I'll do that. Yeah. You'd love that. Just a blurred upper lip.
Every shot.
Yeah. He's gonna blur himself live. This is the first time we're actually saying in a video that we're on the side of a mountain. It's basically a farm. It is a farm. Once it was a farm, and we've come to Connor. So we're in the middle of a storm. Are we in Clare?
Yeah.
We're in Clare on the side of a mountain in a farm barn full of cars. So like to someone that isn't from Ireland, this is what it looks like. This is your traditional enthusiast shed. It is though. And we've come to watch a man break into a car. We're getting a roof liner for the white E36 and we're getting slightly okay trims.
Yeah, they're not coming off very easily. But we'll get them.
We'll get him. I have none, so anything is better than none. So we're putting Connor under pressure here now. We're just throwing him in the deep end on camera. Check it out. Look at this fucking, what you call it?
CE95.
CE95 Corolla, 4-wheel drive. SE Limited that you won in a raffle for €35. Yeah. And it's 4-wheel drive diesel. Someone will be creaming themselves for this now. And it's got the E30 wheels on the back. Listen to that rain, man. Is this your drift car?
Yeah.
It's buried in here. You have a lot of stuff. It's very 2.5? 3.5. Fucking hell.
E34 engine, isn't it? Yeah.
Look at this fucking diesel bad boy. This thing will survive an apocalypse.
Boat engine.
It looks very Russian for some reason, doesn't it? It just has that, the OCD's yokes in like the middle of Russia somewhere, just tipping along.
Surviving.
It's just surviving. This will go on forever.
It is.
It has.
It's about to start up now.
If you look in there, you wouldn't think that this is going to do that, but it will. Because
Those lines there are just
it's a Toyota and it's diesel. Yeah, very impressive. There's lots of mad stuff in here. It's a E36 M3.
Bits, August Bobs.
Bits, August Bobs. We're putting you under immense misery here on a Friday evening.
All I do on Friday evenings at home.
It's just immense misery. Look at this thing, it's incredible. FD covered in muck. Pure Irish, I love it. With the Advance. Want to hear this?
Now, I don't want to jinx it on the video, but this is always the fastest starting car I've ever had.
Okay, you've just jinxed yourself on video. Nah, no, I'm 100% backing this now. This is Toyota here. Usually this stuff, wow. That's fucking great. You could actually blur the mustache with that. Wow! You shit yourself. He wasn't fucking lying. Oh yeah, it literally sounds like a fucking light ace. There probably is a light ace engine in it. Oh, that's it. It literally is a light ace. Beautiful. It does, it's just a fucking high ace engine. Oh, hang on. I'm doing absolutely nothing to help. Oh, hang on. Whoa, Jesus Christ. What about that? What if he locks it a bit? Yeah, now he will. This is a game of Tetris. Whoa. I love it.
Come this way again.
Wow.
Okay.
Perfect.
Stop.
He's probably trying to stop. That was great now. That was Tetris in real life. It's weird how it does. It just looks Russian.
It sounds Russian.
It does. Is it got the red interior? Pub spec, that's great.
1994 pub.
Look at that. That is pub spec.
Yeah.
Some owl lad just turned to you to fucking blow the head off you. Yeah, I'd love to have this. Like, this is great. You need to. Hopefully,
89.
please revive this. Look at the fucking wind deflectors, man. You can eat your dinner off them.
I think they're off some other Toyota.
They're fucking bananas. First tip of the, like, that's the thing though.
Didn't even turn.
These would survive an apocalypse. Like they.
This hasn't been started in about a year. Like.
That's just. I knew that happened.
Good Mazda battery.
That's what it could be. Yeah.
Yeah. Couldn't start the Mazda, but it started.
I love it.
It's the convoy.
That's full time 4-wheel drive. It never takes a break.
It couldn't show.
What happens if something goes down there on you? All right. Is there like water down there? Or is it just not?
It's going across.
It looks like just the abyss. There's like not like you can't.
Well, that's for full back of my pocket.
That's scary, man. Don't do it. I'm actually getting anxiety. Put that away, boy. Look at this thing. Back when they were like €300 for the same thing I just bought. What's the plan for the Lexus?
I don't know. I got it for 100 quid. I'd say 1,000 quid.
It actually was 100 quid. Just in case you need to resell it. Yeah. Just got it.
I might just, I don't know, fix it up and paint it. I put it.
You're definitely a sucker for a bargain.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would be too.
Yeah, I always wanted one.
They are,
That or like a 740.
but they're the ultimate version of a Corolla. It's like just a fancy Corolla.
Look at it. Look at it. Like this angle, it's almost an E10 XLI.
Yeah, it is though. It's a stretched E10 XLI. That's what they are.
That might work.
They're the
Street Fighter.
they're the ultimate. Yeah, it's a Street Fighter car, and it looks like it's had fun.
I've never seen Moss.
Judging by the back tires,
Moss has died.
the Moss has died.
Yeah, I watered it for a while. The exhaust is like that.
I've never seen dead moss.
There you go.
We're up so high the altitude that the moss can't grow up here.
Just check this for oil. It does have a bad leak.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
There's nothing in it.
I might just pour a bit of oil.
The alarm goes off, it sends it back into the engine.
And the pulse then
Yeah.
creates more airflow.
Yeah, more power from the alarm.
That's class.
Yeah, because it's pushing. Yeah, yes. And this deflect, if any sound is going to get past here. Look.
You're really thinking about that one. They really gave us the shit rear end. That's so cool.
It hasn't. I haven't moved this one over.
I love these things.
Start now.
Quartered.
I actually thought it was going to
Yeah.
exploded.
Manipulator back.
It does not want to come off that end.
I'm so terrified of.
Yeah.
Well, hey,
I left a small bit in there, but
honestly, just don't fucking put yourself through the misery. I'll just take the headliner because I actually
I do need the headlight.
have no headliner. Any sort of a headliner would
What
just.
people do is just take the foam and put whatever material you want.
Let's talk about how you're breaking up the rare blue interior just to give me the headliner. I love it. Someone somewhere is sad. I've never seen a blue interior, but
Yeah, no,
look, this car is.
paranoid now.
Look, it's gone beyond fucking the point.
Can you open that front door?
Just about.
You got one more turn, I'd say.
Yeah. Oh my god! I knew. So like that was the clearance, and fucking amazing. I love that now. Surely we can just kind of get it.
Shimmy it.
The mirror.
When was the retest for? This thing was supposed to go for a retest once upon a time.
What's she saying on?
No headliner. Nice, Josh.
You can keep the fabric.
We will keep. No. Do we not need to keep the fabric?
No, I do that for the reason.
I'll charge you for that.
Oh yeah. Oh, fair enough. Now, I'm terrified of that going down there. Gone.
So if your iPhone goes
I
down
love
there,
that.
Yeah, it's gone under the thing. It is gone. It's
there's a
like
man down there going, I think
that's a black hole. Do we have the trim for around the inside of the?
Oh yeah, I took that off. Here.
I'll fucking just take that as well, just in case. No, not leaning. See ya.
look, he's doing
Thanks for coming anyway, Flip. It's nice to see you liking E36s, man. That was great. So you bought this off an old couple,
Yeah.
and it was automatic.
Automatic, and I converted it.
You know what I like? I like that it has muck on it. I actually do, because
Some muck on it.
we're on the side of a mountain, and like it has all the goodies that like people would fetishize,
The reacted paint.
and it just looks like it would come out of here, and I like that. Look at it. And you rebuilt the engine yourself.
Yeah,
'Cause
give it a go.
It poo-pooed itself. Did you convert it to manual as well?
Yeah.
And you also have crazy Regamasters here for it, which are fucking nuts. But I am partial to the SA3Rs on it. I think
Yeah, I actually nearly prefer them, even though these were always the dream wheel.
they are, and that's the
17
that's
by 10.
the that's the best size you can get this wheel in.
I got them.
Definitely has more
I picked them up the day before I blew the engine in it,
Okay,
which was very
Ah. unbelievably rare. Like, and they have the Made in Russia on the back. Whoa! What the fuck?
This one has a couple of welds in it, alright, but
Did you do this?
The daisies are first
No, I didn't do
See,
that.
the sad thing about these wheels is they're made of biscuit,
They're so light. They're one of the lightest wheels ever.
but they're not made for Irish roads.
in Russia, right?
They only want to be.
Russia.
So the weird story that's kind of the rumor about these is like when the Soviet era collapsed, Desmond got a company that used to make stuff for like the Soviet army to make these wheels. That's kind of the cool lore about this stuff. So they like melted down like Soviet military nonsense and made Regamasters. That was always the cool backstory.
Unbelievably light.
I think that's a great backstory though. I hope that's real. Like I always wondered why a Japanese company decided to get a load of lads in Russia to make wheels for them. Give us a quick tour of your shed, because I'm excited. This is your
Engines in here, so there's one JZ here. That's going in an E30.
right, but you know where everything is, so
All my diffs are at the back there.
nice. It's organised chaos.
Only built about a year ago.
I like being nosy.
Everything used to be on the ground.
Yeah,
Like the Soarer seats up there and loads of E30 Sport seats.
you're future-proofing here by just gathering as much fucking shit as possible.
When I'm 60, I'll still be building these.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you're not getting out of this, so
You get lights in the shed.
so it's a work in progress. You're moving back from Cork, so it's a bit like it will be better someday for you.
It's better, and then I'll end up building a new shed.
Yeah, and buying more stuff.
Yeah. There's like 2 V8s there.
What?
BMW V8s.
You just find a bargain and put it in stock.
I bought one, and then your man pulled out the deal, so I went to see another one,
Yeah,
and it came with 2.
nice.
And then the other guy came back at me, oh, that's still for sale, so I bought all 3 of them. But whichever one goes into the car outside, the 83, 30.
Oh, that's yours as well. So you're bringing that back from Cork.
Yeah, that was stored down there for the last few years. I did all the rust repairs, and now it's
Right.
rust again because it's sitting in a damn shed.
All right.
Interesting.
So you're building this E36 here. It's like half. The bottom is finished.
Yeah, I didn't have a split for it, so I just put it on some tyres and.
Here's for people then the indication of how cold it gets. You just get a little radiator to work away.
Brand new BCs and stuff for it.
Nice.
Barry's
So
car.
Barry's car is lurking in here.
That's what I'm going to put the 1JZ in, I think.
Oh, really?
Again, it was just a random shell I got. It's actually pretty clean.
Is it a coupe, E30 coupe? And then you have a M3 up here. I like the bumper collection.
There were
Mostly BMW stuff though.
Yeah, there's a lot like M-Tech kits and there's Soarer bumpers up there and things.
For this 4-wheel drive diesel bad boy, potentially the 3S GTE out of a Celica GT4.
Yeah.
That's that would be great.
It was a cheap engine, so I bought it.
I like that this was first tip of the key though. Like, I mean, if the world is fucked, this is the car that will.
This will go for
This is the car that's going to save your life. Like, that's literally.
When the B20s hit, that was the only thing that could
But this is the only thing that's never going to die. Like, rust will kill it, but it's just first tip of the key.
every time. Like, I left it for like 2 or 3 years before I did that same thing.
No, what's the spoiler off?
Which
Wing. There's a fucking car wing up there.
I have a picture. No, it was blue. It wasn't purple. It wasn't
fuck.
orange, so
It's a cool wing up there anyway.
if you want this.
Nice.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Old Josh would have preferred taking that down. New Josh is looking for GT wings. Whoa.
Delaney.
Whoa. Delaney.
Riding on the lead.
He definitely wanted people to see him from above.
That's mint.
Event for it. It's, as I said, cheap.
Cheap.
You have to buy it now, Josh. You have to make him take it down.
How much for just
I don't want to put it back up again.
Nice.
Just for the inputs.
Just the Delaney sticker.
Yeah. How much for the Delaney sticker? Delaney, there's your wing, man.
An E34 and E30 came together, and they all had like 30 blue wheels. They were like a drift car set.
Right.
I see blue wheels over there.
Yeah, that's yeah.
That's the blue wheels.
That's that E30. That E30 had V8 in it, but never finished. So it's kind of photo that E30 was.
There's 13B.
Oh, alright. What would Delaney think, Josh? You're bailing on it.
2 bags of it.
How long does it take to do that amount of timber?
You do it like over a summer for sell it for next year.
But is it like months and months? That looks like years of timber.
My brother does all that stuff.
Between the timber and the Corolla, I think you're ready for the apocalypse. Oh, there's more of these grates flipping. You can see the bottom.
I have enough. Our magic gauge cluster.
Oh my god! Look at that. Look at the crest. Just says, looks like it says Joe Bounds. Pull out maximum power by our magic.
The English.
Why do we like stickers? See you, Josh. He won't run far. Ooh, you're playing a dangerous game, taking all this stuff out over this.
These are guy who I bought these off of, got them from Malaysia. They're mint.
Just any fucking like no, man. The anxiety of this. How do you work around this shit? Like I'd cover it, I just wouldn't be able. The magnets.
Oh, I get the one over the other.
Yeah, the magnet's not fucking getting that. Thank you for this. I do appreciate it. I know it's misery, but you've helped me out here. This was the best part of the whole, like the tip of the key, and just this was the most pleasurable part of this journey.
Find the one that doesn't have broken tabs.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know, they're all similar condition. There's one here with a cracked lens.
Okay.
Okay, leave that one off.
The one with the blue on it.
Yeah.
That one seems alright as well.
Yeah.
That one and
That one?
try and get the matching one for that.
Okay.
I said 2 of these are matching. Oh shit, there's a crack in that one, never mind.
Yeah.
They alright?
Yeah, they're cracked.
This one looked like it had a bit of battery at some point.
Nice.
But I think you can just put in your own stuff.
Yeah. E36 bonnet looks good on you, Flip.
Oh, fuck off.
Careful.
Yeah, we're on a mountain now, it's windy.
Josh, you can't come with us. You have to chop timber for the rest of your life.
I'll be chopped up.
This is the highest I've ever climbed to get parts for car parts, to the top of a mountain in Clare.
Yeah.
It was impressive. It's raining. We climbed it, but the step wagon climbed it with us inside it. That was funny. Every time now when we're in another country and you're describing what a car shed is to somebody in Ireland, it's just like, hey, watch the episode, I don't number them anymore, but it's the one where we're actually on the side of a mountain and there's a draft.
A giraffe?
It is a draft blowing inside. Now do a real full one. Turn it off. Imagine like that stuff.